Hi, salam, tamaru naችሁ? This video is continued from the previous video, which is rational equation and rational equality. A and B have done from the previous video. Please check that. From C, 1 minus 1 over x over 1 minus 1 over x equals 3x minus 1 x over 1 plus 1 over x. ተማሪዎች ነገር ጥያቄ ከመጻፋችሁ ላይ አታገኙ። መጻፋችሁ ላይ ጥያቄ በጣም ኤሌመንታሪ ነው። ስለዚህ እነዚህ አይነት ጥያቄዎችን በደንብ ኤክሰርሳይዝ ማድረግ ይጠበቅባችኋል ማለት ነው። ሶ ይህን ኢቫሉዌት ለማድረግ ይህን ኢኩዌሽን ሶልቭ ለማድረግ ፈርስት ይህችን ነችኛው ምን ታደርጋላችሁ? ሲምፕሊፋይ ታደርጋላችሁ። that means 1 minus 1 over x ምን ይሆናል ነው እንሰራላችሁ። which equals to x minus 1 x minus 1 over x ታገኛላችሁ ማለት ነው። again 1 minus 1 over x square ነው እንሰራላችሁ። again ምን ታገኛላችሁ? ኤልሲኤም x square ነው። x square divided by 1 times 1 which is x square minus 1 ታገኛላችሁ። again እቺንም ትሰራላችሁ which is 1 plus 1 over x ስትሰሩት ምን ታገኛላችሁ? ኤልሲኤም x ነው። x divided by 1 times 1 is x plus 1 ታገኛላችሁ። good. So this rational equation can be written as x minus 1 divided by x over x square minus 1 divided by what? x square ሚለውን እናገኛለን ማለት ነው which is equals to 3x squared minus x over 1 plus 1 over x is the same as what? X plus 1 over x, right? X plus 1 over x. Then we have reciprocal argument. It's reciprocal እያደረጋችሁ መስራት ነው. It's very easy, which is x minus 1 divided by x times the reciprocal of this because of what? A over B divided by C over D is the same as A over B times 1. The reciprocals B over C, right? The same thing for a rational equation, which is x square over x square minus 1, which is equals to 3x squared minus the reciprocal of this, which is what? X square over x plus 1 ሚለውን ታገኛላችሁ ማለት ነው። Okay guys, again this is equals to x minus 1 over x times x square over x minus 1 times x plus 1 ሚለውን እናገኛለን። ፋክተር ስናደርግ x square minus 1 is the same as x minus 1 times x plus 1, which is equals to again እቺን ሲምፕሊፋይ ታደርጋላችሁ, which is the LCM is what? x plus 1 ነው። x plus 1 divided by 1 times this ስታረጉ which is 3x squared x plus 1 minus x squared ሚለውን ታገኛላችሁ። minus x squared ሚለውን ታገኛላችሁ። okay, cancel if any like ተመሳሳይ ነገር ካለ ካንስል አድርጉ። x minus 1 by x minus 1 is cancelled. This x is cancelled by squared, which is what is the remaining? Is what? X over x plus 1 equals to ይህን ታባዛላችሁ, which is what? 3x the power of 3 plus 3x squared minus x squared divided by x plus 1. So equals to x over x plus 1 equals to 3x square minus x square. Like terms, you can subtract 3x the power of 3 plus 2x squared divided by x plus 1 ሚለውን ታገኛላችሁ, which equals to x over x plus 1 equals to factor out as x squared common x squared into 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 ሚለውን እናገኛለን። then cancel again cancel this x plus 1 is by x plus 1 x plus 1 በx plus 1 cancel አድርጉት what you have left from this expression is x equals to x squared into 3x plus 1 የሚለውን እናገኛለን ማለት እናገኛለን። ኦኬ this equals to 3x squared plus 1 plus x ይሄን እናገኛለን። so this equals to 3x the power of 3 plus x squared minus x equals to 0 የሚለውን እናገኛለን። factor out x is equals to x into 3x squared plus x minus 1 equals to 0. The product is minus 3, the sum is 1 ይሰጣችሁ ማና ማን? The product is minus 3 and the sum is 1. 2 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። x minus 1 equals to 0. good. አሁን ስታባዙት minus 3 3 times minus 1 ስትደምሩት 2 የሚሰጣችሁ ቁጥር ፈልጉ። if the product is minus 3 and the sum is 2 which is what 3 and minus 1, right? 3 times minus 1 is minus 3 plus minus 1 is 2. so this is factorized as x into which is, look guys, in direct መተካት አትችሉም። if the coefficient of x square is different from 1 it can't be directly x plus 3 x minus 1 x plus 3 x minus 1 directly ማለት አትችሉም። substitute ታደርጋላችሁ which is 3x squared plus 3x minus x minus 1 equals to 0 which is 3x minus x just which is 2x's 2x by 2x ቦታ 3x minus x ነው የተካውት ምንም ያረፉት ነገር የለም። ስለዚህ ምንድነው የምናደርገው ግሩፕ ብሪጅ ነው ፋክተር የምናደርገው ማለት ነው። ግሩፕ ብሪጅ ስለዚህ ፋክተር ታደርጋላችሁ ፍሮም ግሬድ 8 እንደተማራችሁት ይሄን ራሱ ፋክተር ስናደርግ የጋራቸው ምን ማለት ነው 3x ይሆናል 3x into x plus 1 minus 1 into x plus 1 equals to 0 ነው ታገኛላችሁ። x plus 1 is common so 3x minus 1 times x plus 1 equals what 0. good. so this is factorized as እንዴት ነው ፋክተር የሚሆነው ማለት ነው x times 3x minus 1 3x minus 1 times x plus 1 equals to 0 ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው equals to 0. so this is the zero product rule. Yes, the zero product rule. If a times b times is equal to 0, a zeros must be equal to 0. This implies x equals to 0 or 3x minus 1 equals to 0 when x is 1 over 3 and x plus 1 equals 0, then x equals to what? Minus 1. X equals to minus 1. So the value of x is 0, 1 over 3 and minus 1. But check that the domain, if these numbers are in the domain or not የሚለውን ቼክ ማድረግ ይጠበቅባቸዋል ጋይስ። ቅድም እንዳልኳችሁ ቼክ the question, let's say አሁን ጥያቄያችሁ ላይ እዚህ ጋር x 0 ብታረጉት አንድ ፋይል so 0 is not in the domain 0 ዶሜን ውስጥ አይደለችም ማለት ነው። ኦኬ the other thing, any expression any step ላይ ነው ቼክ የምታረጉት ለምሳሌ x square minus 1 ወይም እዚህ ጋር x plus 1 አላችሁ እዚህ ጋር minus 1 ብትተኩበት minus 1 plus 1 0 ነው which is undefined. so 0 and minus 1 is not in the domain of what is not in the domain of the rational equation ማለት ነው. so the solution set for this rational equation is 1 over 3 ነው መሆን ያለበት ማለት ነው 1 over 3 ብቻ ነው መሆን ያለበት። እናንተ ግን ስትመርጡ ብዙዎቻችሁ እንዳየኋችሁ ማለት ነው 0 1/3 እና -1 ምርጫ ላይ ካለ ዶቅ ነው የምታረጉት። ወዲያው ዶንት እንደዛ አታርጉ። እሺ እንደዛ አታርጉ። መልሱን ካገኛችሁ በኋላ ዶሜኑ ውስጥ አለ የለም የሚለውን ማየት ይጠበቅባችኋል ማለት ነው። ኦኬ this is how to solve rational equation. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.